Welcome back to Excel 2016. This is Module 3 and Part 5. During this part, we're going to look at using functions with the Quick Analysis button, as well as some functions that work with dates. So we're going to start out by creating a running total in this cumulative GDD value. So what we want to do is we want to start out and highlight the entire area I-5 through I-163, excuse me. And once we do that, you will see this quick analysis button. You can see there is a keystroke equivalent to get that to open. I usually just click on the button. Now we are going to choose totals. When you're using these functions, you have to look at two things. The first thing you have to look at is the function that is being performed. This is a sum, or the average, a count, a percent, and a running total. But the second thing you have to look at is where it's putting the formula. You can see by the colored row in the picture that the total is going to go on the row below. If I come over here, you can see that it's going to sum and put it in the column next to it. So what I want to find is the one that says running total, but has it on the side. And now you can see that it creates in the column next to it a running total. When you do that, the running total just keeps adding the new value to the old one. So you can use that quick analysis button, as we just did, in order to create formulas or totals. Now at the top of the worksheet, you'll notice in B4, we have the current date. So if I want to see what the current date is, I can use the date function. Now there's a few things that you can go to get it. So if you wanted to go to formulas and date and time, you can see there are several functions that you can work with dates on. One of them says today, and that will return the current date. You'll notice that there are no arguments or nothing to put within the parentheses. What this does mean is every time you open up this workbook, it is going to update that date to whatever the current date is. And so if this was something that you wanted to stay the same, you would not want to use this function. There are other functions that you can do, such as working days, net working days. You can incorporate holidays into that. There are a lot of functions that can be used with dates. The next video we're going to work on is going to look at the lookup formulas that are available in Excel.